This video will expand on the included instructions. You'll need to unpack, straighten, and install the light cords through the access at the back of the fountain. It's very important to ensure that the light cord connector goes through that access hole and remains outside of the basin area. These lights are installed with a generous amount of power cord, lessening the need for an extension cord. You'll find the pre-installed tubing inside the basin. You'll attach it securely to the pump and note the flow control dial at the front. The included energy-efficient pump features a 3-meter cord, again, lessening the need for an extension cord to complete your assembly. Carefully and securely connect the light cord to the low-voltage power supply, which is rainproof but should not be submerged. The included foam pad is designed to hide and protect the pump. The Scala Fountain features removable and replaceable LED lights. The top bowl does not include a light, however, it features a diffuser to smooth the water output.